Be jolly, jolly, jolly.
Uncle Dan.
Well, I spent all meeting on the lassie drinking far across the western ocean.
Hello, I'm the Ketoing Viking, and today we are at the Renaissance Festival. And as you can see, I got my turkey leg. So stay tuned, we'll go around and do some fun stuff. Score. There's only a couple of things at the Ren's Fest that you can have. For instance, you can have meat, and you can have sausage, although that's dirty, and then you can have vegetables if they serve it without carbs. So you're going to have to look through all of the options, and the struggle is real. Stay strong, my friends. You could do this. And a steak on a stick. Or is it a steak on a steak? I don't know. It's pretty good. Angry. One of my tribe members bought this beautiful bag of nuts, and I'm so mad. The sugar-laden, delicious, sweet, crunchy, and it's not keto. We will probably make a recipe later. Instead, I'm going to have one of my tribe members grab it from my hand before I eat it. Okay, temptation gone. Time to move on. I am out of my drink. Time to get more water.
I am gonna rip if you believe it's fun. I don't wanna get anymore. And they make my ears go out. Dance, dance, dance with my hands. Dance.
Decided to get fudge and told me to hold it while they go to the bathroom. I'm holding it. Next time, I'm not going to hold it. Oh well. I just got back from the Renaissance Festival, and it's been crazy, crazy, crazy day. And right now I am craving fudge. I'm the Ketoing Viking, and today I'm going to attempt to make fudge. So stay tuned. So in a hot pan, we're going to melt some chocolate and some butter. Boing. It's better to use chocolate chips. I decided to freeze my chocolate chips after they had melted. So I have a big chunk of chocolate chips. We are going to wait for indefinite to get this whole block to melt. So I am stirring the remainder of this. I'm going to try to get it all incorporated and it's smoothed out. Obviously we still have a couple of chunks, but it is looking pretty good. So I'll give it another 5 minutes of stirring. Okay, next we're going to add our sweetener. We are going to stir this in. Stir continuously because at this point you can start burning it and nobody wants to burn their fudge. Make sure you get all the lumps out. Yep, it's starting to thicken. I'm going to turn the heat down to 2, which is very low heat. Now, here's the secret ingredient. Cayenne pepper, oddly enough. Now, cayenne pepper is completely optional, but it's a secret ingredient. Great to surprise people with. If you're nervous about it, you can add just a little tiny bit. Okay, you see how thick it got? We're just about ready here. I'm going to turn off the heat. So as you can see, I lined a small loaf pan with parchment paper. What you can do now is just scoop your pre-made fudge in here. Hopefully you seasoned it very well, to the utter shock and dismay of your villagers. It's a fantastic surprise. And if you remember, there is a video of me making beautiful caramel sauce. And then what we're going to do is we're going to add our caramel sauce. I'm just going to drizzle it over the top, like so. You can drizzle more if you want, or a little less. And I'm going to lightly mix it in. And why not? I'm going to add a little bit more, just because. Okie dokie. Here it is. I'm going to make sure that it's nice and flattened. And we are going to chill it. Take a chill pill, man. Take a chill pill. Okay. I put it in the refrigerator and it's going to stay there for at least 1 hour. I might get a little impatient. I might throw it in the freezer for a half an hour. We'll see what happens. It needs to be sharpened. Well, it's been an hour. And here our fudge looks. You could hear the dogs panting in the background. Well, at the Renaissance Festival, my friends gave me their fudge to hold while they went to the restroom. And I was sitting there going, oh gosh. Well, I'm about to find out if mine is better. Gonna cut it in little pieces. There we go. I don't know, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's 14 servings. And it's about to be 13 servings. Okay. That is very delicious. The Renaissance Festival can keep their fudge. I'll have this 100 times over. This is delicious. Until next time, lycka till. Skål.